Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to about guys how can we customize our font size setting in our tecno phone. Friends, you want to customize yourself and guys how can you use guys your font size setting in this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends I want to tell you guys if you're in my channel so can first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to customize your font size. Then as you can see this type of setting guys you can see, so when click on display and brightness setting friends, and guys you can see your font size. So as you can see guys your font size setting guys you want to customize, so you can customize from here. So you can preview guys, you can check from here, and guys you can see default size, and guys you can see your large size. So as you can customize yourself with large, default and small. So you want to guys customize into small size, so as you can see your font is small size like that. So like that guys you can customize, and guys you can use your font size setting yourself. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye, and before going guys please like the video.